After you clean your wheels and your tires, that's when you want to go ahead and clean your exhaust tips. These tips are either anodized, painted, or powder coated. Stainless exhaust tips are way more common. So first thing I want to do, I want to take it and rinse it off a little bit. Take a little bit of the Eco APC. I'm gonna go ahead and use the mini barrel brush. And what I wanna do is I wanna go around the outside of these tips all the way so that I can get all of the soot and exhaust crud off of the outside of the tip. Back into the bucket, and then get the inside of the tips knocked out. I guarantee you that I've missed a little something, especially between those tips. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the lug and trim brush. When it comes to cleaning your stainless steel exhaust tips, they're a little bit more bulletproof. First, I'm gonna rinse them off, take a little bit of our all-purpose cleaner, and then I'm gonna use the mini barrel brush, and then I'm going after this sucker. Oh gosh, that's beautiful. If you still do have a whole bunch of baked on nasty carbon, you're gonna take a little bit of this stuff right here, which is called 4-aught steel wool. And then you just go real gently over the edge here, spray a little bit of all-purpose cleaner into it, and then knock it out. How's this for a nice little before and after?